ladies and gentlemen of the media. I think that in the last few days, there has been some.
Acheno. Said yes, I made a fee and why ye, Nasuso, or Mode, and something in our quadano. Emma Julius Dabra, and then a penny for a sidun ketia, or Munina, or more teacher futua, Sammy Fee, and the chop and out the buy, penny for at sea. Now, Omuchi and so Sabi, or Modi chop us command, Mr. President. I'm a president, so agina. Ghana for nyina na muka se akwara ndo ye no anya yi bato apachew nti amfa che no nti omampani e de ache Sami Gyamfi wada che no bato abo no kokose wonhwe yi na wama ebi anye den ansi biem na se woma ebi si biem a obayi na adikura afiri na kumam because so obo no nsabogum no bo ni nifa e Sami Gyamfi. No, this Sami Gyamfi kwa to good board adwuma akwala no boma no. In fact, adwuma na ni asopa. Na me ma me kasa enwa no. Mumyentie nsam a omampani edo share.
Ladies and gentlemen of the media, I think that in the last few days, there has been some matters relating to the acting chief executive officer of the Gold Board, Mr. Sami Gyamfi, regarding a video that emerged of some interaction with Agrada. You would recall that in the immediate aftermath of the emergence of the video, Mr. Sami Gyamfi promptly issued an apology in which he expressed regret over the matter and took on board public concerns raised overseeing. A day after that, the chief of staff summoned him to the presidency to learn about what transpired. The invitation was honored by Mr. Sami Gyamfi. He indicated to the chief of staff what his side of the story is, what explanation there is for what we all saw in the video. At the time, President Mama was out of the country, so he had to be briefed on the discussions held with Mr. Sami Gyamfi by the chief of staff, and he has been briefed. Now, the view is that to begin with, the presidency acknowledges Mr. Sami Gyamfi's immediate act of contrition and the acknowledgement of the need to express regret over that incident. So that apology has been taken on board. You do recall that when President Obama launched the code of conduct, he said that one of the remedies for any potential breach was a public apology. He also said one of the potential remedies was a caution from the highest levels of government. After the interaction with the chief of staff, the chief of staff cautioned him, having acknowledged the apology he made. He cautioned him and impressed upon him to take on board public sentiment and act in ways that reflect public expectation. The chief of staff also took the opportunity to reissue the same caution that the president had sent to all appointees to be circumspect in their conduct. There may be things that may be commonplace in our private lives, but once you become a public official, you need to be sensitive to public expectation, and therefore that ought to guide the way that you order your steps. So in view of that, presidency does not believe that any further action ought to be taken beyond the apology and the caution. And we all take a cue from it and are going to do better in order to meet the expectations of the Ghanaian public. We value feedback. We are aware that Ghanaians expect high standards in the performance of our duties as public officials. We remain committed to meeting those high standards to ensure that we deliver the best of governance to our people who have been long suffering in the last few years under poor governance. So that is what I have for you. it is not deemed at this moment necessary to take further action beyond what has already been done. And Mr. Sami Gyamfi has committed to ensuring that such an incident does not recur. I thank you very much.
Be a future leader. Say a case will be a future leader or the president as Sami Gyamfi uka ho. Into anamo ntuo ene woni ya no niam bi no yesrawara. Take a break. We are a future leader. The whole NDC. Wone basentali. Ya need am so pa. Muna mu ba gira boxing ring ma kwama NDC. Enti mu twem ho free. Saa abonsamfo bi mu saa na mu ba gigemu na mudu mako emusu mu no. Yesramara. We are MP, minister, whatever. We are appointee. Ukodru baby. Na uyi sika. Hwe wonse nifa so enu se bonku so watamfo emewa na. Because senior aye no MPP fo asuma nipa. MPP fo asuma suma matamfo asusumu afidie na ma nhwe yi afidie na beyiyi mu rough amani ngwase aba 2028. But ye kashe ready adunu munyam say 2028 38% na omunya aye no omanya 50% 15% eno mbenya na mamemfa akonya wususo wa benya video yi na wama Ghana mpenifo bia ansaka information a menye free miami kuroma ye fretatale MP a watatale wutie mi ateni yie DC a watatale wutie mi ateni yie IGP a watatale wutie mi ateni yie Assemblyman a watatale wutie mi ateni yie smuggle pa e fatatale o ekotogo according to me no information a miami kuromfo a organize a mo dey send me na o maka kire me no and I make a kire Ghana for no because na say uhwa o mampani asisisi border enema eno matete mu akohu se tatali border na ho Amerikakra enti yansusu yokurom station o race course ho enti a police for amwo Kumasi eno mu ne niema ana Accra every region be bia amu kwatatali no pepamcho Ghana mpanifo mumumani kwatatali station ho yesi amafo swa gold no mu de akofre ye bus na kwatatali no omunya duru tatali kurumu a wo bai wo na mu se ya Ghana ni Togo ni business amoye ne say wonumpo wonfa cross border na migration for na mo ho no mu no abisa na asem o omubo ma ne pa na ye dia gupa mu asa de oba ne kwa afuo mu no na oba ne dia cross border omo tete kwa mu ho no na omagi nema no na omo de ko into mampani mesrew say ye border na wo the whole Ghana ye border no enya included tatali nko a na information amanya free tatali na meka no omampani obama police for na mo tatali ni border for na o ma mote wonom no omampani ma omo hye ho kena na enyama boni fatatali ho ekotogo enyama boni fatatali ekotogo omudi befuri ye bus na e race course na ye buses na e kwatatali no omunya ye boko because driver ni na drive from race course to Tatali Accra to Tatali no because a police for gira kwa na so mu twetwe 116 22 di ma police for no obodu na pua no makokodu omunya du Tatali hope na omabayi nema no omuyi nema no wi na omabo moto for no pa ana ma na omukwafuom no because ye kurom for no ebirim cross border no kwafuom na omo de asoma ema no nya kodu kwa ba bia o metwen o na o matwe o no ma geniama no no mo da fa moto pua no mo da cross no mo de ko o mampani mesrew ani di ye border ne niam fa ho pa ye border no niam fa ho pa nti mesrew bo ani ko ho said o muchi India for winde sorry mutimi chi India for we ji sika twitwiri die no gold twitwiri die ebe ma Ghana enema koso no monhwe boda no so enema fa ho pa abusua aha aya QTV 24/7 unya mi video anu wa subscribe no wa share video ama na ka Ghana mpanifo sa information amanya free mi amekuro mutatale na meka MP na wa tatale no konkoma ni MP no be very careful ye wadwuma yie DC aho ye wadwuma yie ena assembly man aho ye wadwuma yie police commander na aho tatale no ye wadwuma yie immigration for na mote border ho no no munya wadwuma yie na nyasa omampaniti na nisu muso amobaye mbobo pa enema na efa hokọ no I know say nkofo na musane me message maka chem so momo money nda ho no munya smogri bia omudo mu twan video no munya bibia no mfa sande me nti Mr. Ghana fo Ghana ne ye de ye ne wo se bo ho ban na se sa bo nkofo mo be wie enema de kwa ye be koso ya hia fo sa nti esra mo mboaye na eso mboaye ho ye da ma se aha ya QTV 24/7